Step 1. Be sure before attaching the valves that they are set to the open position by turning the valve counterclockwise. Step 2. Attach the pressure valves to the appropriate AC line connector. As both of these valves are different in size, they only fit one way and cannot be inadvertently attached to the wrong AC line. Step 3. Once all the lines are attached, be sure before you begin testing that they are free and clear of any moving parts in the engine compartment, belts, fans, pulleys, etc. Step 4. Open both valves on the gauge manifold. You'll note that a properly working system should have pressure at this time. Step 5. Start the vehicle and turn on its air conditioning system. Step 6. Monitor the results on the gauges and reference the owner's manual as necessary. Step 7. If required, charge your system using the appropriate refrigerant following these next steps. First, confirm using your owner's manual that you have the correct refrigerant for your application, taking note that incorrect refrigerant could result in damage to your vehicle. Second, connect the yellow line from the manifold to the refrigerant tank and open the valve on the tank. Third, be sure to bleed the yellow line using the bleeder valve located here. This removes any and all air that could potentially find its way into your AC system. Excess air in the system could, at a minimum, impede your vehicle's AC performance. Fourth and finally, with the vehicle running and the AC turned on, open the valve and allow the system to fill, monitoring the gauges until they've reached the appropriate pressure. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual as necessary. In this particular instance, no refrigerant was required. Part 4. Close all the valves and shut down your vehicle.